Hi there, this is Rob, and this is the 2-minute overnight overview for Thursday. I have some research today, but first let's review yesterday's odds and last night's action. Here's the odds sheet as it stood near the close on Wednesday. As has happened quite a bit lately, odds appeared marginal, with nothing suggesting a compelling upside or downside edge. ES price action was slightly negative, internals were slightly positive, and seasonality was mixed. Without an edge, I have no reason to take a position, and there was nothing compelling me here, so I did nothing. Let's see how the night played out, though. After settling at 1550 on Wednesday, ES spent much of the night trading sideways. Europe gave it a little spark when it opened, and it was able to hold on to gains until the U.S. Open, where it gapped up 2.5 points. The market's been locked in a steady grind higher for most of the year. I thought it'd be interesting today to compare overnight returns to intraday returns during this period. This first table shows returns between the open and the close, assuming someone held 10 contracts each day so far this year. As you would expect, numbers here are pretty good, with 59% of days profitable and a total of 58.5 ES points earned. Here's a look at the profit curve. It's a little choppier than you might expect. Now let's take a look at and see how the overnight has performed. Numbers here are a little better than the intraday numbers, with 72.75 points gained so far this year overnight. And here's a look at the profit curve. You'll note here that the first night of the year was responsible for a sizable portion of those gains. The curve from that point appears a little smoother than the intraday curve, though. If we exclude the first day and the first night of the year, gains would be nearly break-even between day and night. I find this kind of analysis to be helpful in identifying how the market's behaving, and I show breakdowns like this in my monthly updates each month and go into a bit more detail than this. Monthly updates are sent by email. If you'd like to receive them, simply sign up for the Overnight Edges email list from the link on the homepage. Thanks for listening, and rest easy.